this video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. These space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. These space characters are appended with number characters. These number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 9 to 1 in the range of 2, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. Along with every number character, a space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We require one more variable. Declare and initialize it with 5. We are going to use while loop here while I value is less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. And we are going to reduce j value by 1. So j value will be 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and our iteration is going to stop here. For this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. Nested while a value is less than j into 2 minus 1. J into 2 minus 1, which is going to give us 9, then 7, then 5, then 3, and 1. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase a value by 1. Now let's print the result. Print the space characters. We are going to combine two spaces here. Multiply by I. At the end of every space, we need number characters. So space and numbers are in the same line. To print them in the same line, we require end variable here. Now let's print the result. Print j into 2 minus 2 minus k, add 1 into that and separate them with the space character. Let's print the result. Run py_triangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the result in the same line. To print the result line by line, we are going to use print method outside this while loop, which is going to separate these spaces and numbers which are separated with this end. So run py_triangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print the required number triangle pattern.